Messy desk? Cluttered kitchen counter? Or maybe your bedroom is full of random stuff you don't even use. Let's be honest, clutter doesn't just take up space, it takes over your mind. Whether you're a student buried in assignments, a busy mom juggling 100 tasks, working from home, or spending long hours at the office, one thing is true. The more organized your space is, the more focused and positive your life becomes. Today, I'm sharing simple etiquette-based organization habits that anyone can use, at home, at work, or anywhere in between, to create peace, respect, and productivity. Number 1. Start with one small space. Here's the trick. Don't try to fix your entire house or office in one go. That's overwhelming. Start small. Clear just your desk, your nightstand, or even a single kitchen drawer. Imagine you're a college student with books scattered everywhere. Cleaning just your study desk instantly makes you feel lighter. That one win motivates you to keep going. Number 2. Keep only what you truly need. Less is more. Whether it's clothes in your closet, files at the office, or random gadgets at home, ask yourself, do I really use this? If not, put it away or donate it. I once saw a coworker with 10 coffee mugs on their desk. 10. Did they need them? No. A cluttered space isn't just messy. It shows a lack of respect for yourself and for the people around you. Positive behavior starts with valuing simplicity. Number 3. Create a reset habit. At the end of each day, reset your space. Students, close your books and put away your notes. Homemakers, clear the kitchen counter after dinner. Office workers, file your papers and shut down your computer properly. Work from home folks, separate your workspace from your living space so your brain knows the workday is done. This reset habit gives you closure and a fresh start tomorrow. Number 4. Respect shared spaces. Clutter spreads like wildfire. If you share a dorm room, an office, or a house, don't let your stuff spill into someone else's space. Imagine living with roommates. If your mess creeps into the living room, it's not just clutter anymore, it's disrespect. Social etiquette means respecting boundaries, and respecting boundaries begins with respecting space. Number 5. Digital declutter counts too. Clutter isn't only physical. Messy desktops, hundreds of unread emails, and constant phone notifications can stress you out just as much as a pile of papers. Create folders, delete what you don't need, and silence unnecessary alerts. A clean digital space means fewer distractions and more focus. Think of it this way, every notification you ignore is like leaving dirty dishes in the sink. Eventually, it piles up. Number 6. Add one positive element. A space without personality feels cold. Add just one positive touch. Maybe a small plant, a candle, or a framed photo of your family. That single item can calm your mood and remind you what matters. But here's the rule. Keep it simple. A positive reminder should inspire you, not overwhelm you. Number 7. The 1-minute rule. If something takes less than 1 minute to do, don't delay, just do it. Hang up your coat, wash that coffee cup, put away that pen. It sounds small, but these tiny acts stop clutter from building up. Imagine how much smoother life would feel if everyone in a family followed this simple rule. Fewer arguments, less stress, and more respect. Number 8. Led by example. Here's the secret. People copy what they see. If your desk, your kitchen, or your room is always neat, others will notice. Kids watch parents. Co-workers notice each other. Roommates pick up habits. Positive behavior is contagious. By keeping your space organized, you silently encourage others to do the same, and that's leadership without words. Here's the truth. An organized space creates an organized mind. And when your mind is calm and clear, your behavior becomes more positive, respectful, and inspiring. Imagine if every home, every classroom, every office practiced this simple etiquette. The world would instantly feel lighter. Now, I've pinned a question in the comments section just for you. Scroll down, share your answer, and let's start a conversation together. Thank you for watching.